Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can appear offline on WhatsApp. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open WhatsApp. Once you open WhatsApp, you simply need to click on three dots and then you need to go into the settings and then you need to click on account and then you need to click on privacy and here you need to click on last seen and online. And the first step you need to click on who can see my last scene. You simply need to select nobody and then you need to click on who can see when I am offline and here you need to click on same as last scene. Once you done that, then no one will be able to see you that you are online on WhatsApp. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.